we're gonna make an image of our internal drive. First I attach my external drive for the backup. And this is the path. And this we copy. I'm using PCman FM file manager. So this was my path. And this is the name we're gonna give to the image. First we're gonna do sudo fdisk list. And this is the drive I want to back up of 232 gigabytes. Device SDA. That is our dual boot drive. Now the command we're gonna type in the terminal is sudo dd if this input file is device SDA, output file of is, and then your path to the image. So that is our path to the image. That is the total path. Then block size is 4 megabytes. You can take 8 megabytes. But at a certain point it won't go faster. So you have to find the golden middle, so to speak. And status is progress. This means that you will see the progress, how much megabytes will be copied. So this is our command. As it's bit per bit copied, and I'm using an external USB 2, this will be pretty slow. So I'll stop the backup with Ctrl C.